Good morning, guys. This is a weird toilet. Dry urinal, and then a toilet where you just shit in a plastic bag. I've never tried that before. I guess there's a first time for everything. Good morning, guys. Alright, me and Jason, we're going to pick up some water. I found out where the water is. It's just next to the toilet where I just were.
Skal vi på eventyr?
Yeah, vi skal på eventyr.
Yeah.
I'm watching over Jason today because Mike, he had to go do something, some official business. And then, yeah, I'm on babysitter duty once more. It's, I do a lot of babysitting when he's around. But it's fine, I enjoy it. I get some uncle time with the kid.
Yeah.
He's holding in the button. Teamwork. It's much better this way.
Julie,
Ja,
hvorfor laver du det?
jeg laver en lille video. We're watching videos right here, and he's having some juice. I'm about to drink some tea. Strawberry, he picked it for me. He wants to taste some, but only once it's cooled down. He doesn't like hot things.
Du tager ud.
Ja,
Jeg kommer med deroppe på taget.
hvad kommer der?
En type.
Nej, nej, det gør der ikke. Nej, alle T-Rex er døde. Der er ikke flere T-Rex tilbage.
Jeg har pivet tivæggene.
Ja,
Og kommer ind.
okay. It's funny. Throughout my journey, people have been asking me, so what do you do about money? And I always say, I just don't think about it. It's probably gonna work out, right? It has so far. Me and Jason are relaxing and drinking soda.
Så slår jeg tivægsen.
Du slår T-Rexen?
Ja.
Det kan du godt?
Ja.
Okay.
Ja.
Med den pen der?
Ja.
Okay.
Det er min.
Var det noget lækkert mad, du lige spiste, hva'?
Ja.
Ja.
Jeg siger op. Jeg råber af dinosauren.
Yeah. Check it out. All day I've been using this to deal with the wasp situation. There's got to be a wasp nest nearby. Gotten at least 20 of them so far. Me and Jason just finished working out. Well, I was working out, he copied me. And I think now we're gonna have maybe some tea. Yeah, let's try. Oh my god, we've been doing a lot of stuff today. It's time to wash our hands again. Okay, læg pistolen, Jason.
Hvad?
Fordi vi skal bruge dine hænder her. He's used to the routine by now. Og så lidt vand. Og så skal du tage din arm nedad, sådan her, så vandet ikke kommer op til dine albuer.
Nej.
Og så knup dem godt på bagsiden også. Ja. Ind i alle revnerne.
Ingen øl.
Kom så. Rens dem.
Sådan her.
Ja. Så skyller vi. Ned med hænderne. Så, det var godt.
Ja.
Done. I've done that like 10 times today already. Some more food and some more cleaning. Good job. I'm helping Mike wash his hands. He just came back with Kiki. And I'm smoking a
One has
cigarette.
been in the daycare today.
Oh yeah. It's been nice. I've been enjoying it.
Thank you, bro.
I just had to give Kiki her some toilet paper. She forgot it. And now I'm gonna spend some time to fix some things with my bicycle that has been annoying me. And you know how I always keep saying that when you have time, you always need to think about the next thing or improve something or repair something. Yeah, I haven't really been doing that for the past few days. And right now I feel like it's about time. I just got an impulse to fix my bicycle. So what I've done already is I untightened these two hex bolts here so that these wires... Ti lige stille, Jason. Ti lige stille, jeg skal lige optage noget. I undid these hex bolts so that these wires here would become loose, and then I just I chucked on both of them, and then I screwed them in, and this should make it so that the bicycle basket doesn't sag quite as much, because that's the issue before. It was sagging to the point of it hitting my front light, which is already broken. I've repaired this with glue. But yeah, it kept hitting it, so it's not quite pointing in the right direction right now. And that's the next thing I'm gonna fix. I'm going to attempt to fix the direction this is pointing in now that it won't be hit by the underside of the bicycle basket. So I'll have proper light. Let's go. Check it out, guys. I fixed the light. I reapplied some more glue all the way around it, and then I just changed the angle of the light to be in a better angle. Maybe I'll have to change it again. But yeah, I haven't glued it completely to this thing, so I can still swivel it one way or the other. And then of course I fixed this thing right here, so now the basket should be able to carry a lot of weight without sagging. It's gonna make life easier. Check it out, man. We got so many of these low-hanging good berries. What are they? Raspberries? I just remember the Danish name. It's brombær. But we got so many of them. Oh look, there's a little guy sitting right next to these. A little green guy. Can you see him? Oh, that one was a little sour. I think I got most of the big ones. Nice little treat. I started packing everything down. We're going back to Nyborg, to the Loud Friends place, to take a shower. The Loud Friends not gonna be there though. But I think I'm gonna stay in the shelter tonight. I don't want to be in an apartment. I'm pretty done with apartments. Okay, we cleaned up the shelter. Everything's in order.
We have cleaned everything up.
Yep, I picked up all the rest of the garbage out here on the campsite. There's a pile here. That's none of our responsibility. People get paid for this stuff so they can take care of that garbage. But we picked up all the small pieces of garbage. The only thing that remains is this little plastic bag here, and we'll bring that with us. We're gonna leave the candle that was here when we came, and we cleaned up around the fire pit. It was kind of a mess. All right, let's go.
Let's go! Who's got that on it?
Yeah, I got everything.
Let's roll!
They're trying to use Google Lens to identify the mushrooms. But I just told them that you gotta be really careful, because Google Lens and all these AI things, they don't necessarily get the exact right mushroom. There's a lot of mushrooms that look like that. Maybe hundreds. So you gotta be really careful if you're going to eat a mushroom. The best thing you can do is probably take a picture of it, both on top and underneath the gills, so you can see those underneath the veil. And also just a picture of the area it was picked from. That way people will have the easiest time, these experts, to identify what mushroom it is, so you don't end up poisoning yourself or getting high, I guess. On the road again. Let's go. I think Nyborg is only 1 or 2 stops away. Should be easy. The others are good. They're showing up down there. Let's go. Still quite a bit away to the train station. But it's nice weather, man. I'm enjoying myself. We're at the dorms right now. It's quite a Danish selection of stores right there. Loop, I don't know, it's new. Maxi Zoo, pet store, and then Skovsen. Doesn't get more Danish, huh? Kiki and Jason are taking the tram. Me and Mike we're using the bicycle. Hun bliver helt stresset, prøv at se. Train ride, another fine. We're almost in Nyborg now. Yep, we're certainly back in Nyborg. Oh my god, I can already feel the hot shower. I don't even feel that dirty. I've been cleaning myself in sinks pretty well. So I guess I removed the worst of the stink, but I can definitely tell that I don't smell so nice. Maybe it's about time. Check it out. I'm at the Loud Friends place drinking some cold top form and some, what do you call it, some freeze pizza, some frozen pizza. I just added some mozzarella and some oregano. Oh yeah, and I just took a shower. Brushed my hair with conditioner too. We're watching Pop and Bertha. It's a popular movie from when I was a kid. My little sister loved it. Hello guys, I left the apartment like, what is that, maybe an hour ago by now. And then I went back to the original shelter that we stayed at for like 2 weeks in the beginning of the journey. If you go all the way back in the channel, basically the first 2 weeks or so were spent here. And we met a guy here a few times, Brian, and we just met him again, or Brian is how you say it in Danish. But yeah, I just met him again. Such a nice guy. We talked a bit. He told me there's going to be a meteor shower tonight, and I actually laid down with him. He was lying on the bench on a sleeping mat, and I just took my sleeping mat out on the grass and laid down and looked up. We saw a few fragments enter the atmosphere, but nothing major. And also the guys, they've been missing me, you know, from the Discord server. So I'm sitting right now talking to Dion and Leah. She hasn't been around for a while. And then Stony as well. Just enjoying myself in my tent. I'm drying my towel because I took a shower earlier in an apartment for the first time in like 10 days. I feel great right now. Oh. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just chilling now. Just smoked a cigarette. Oh yeah, and Brian, he gave me a apricot soda. I love apricot soda. It's a very Danish thing, I think. I haven't seen it in other countries. But yeah, I'm just enjoying myself. I might make a cup of tea soon. Yeah, that's the update for now. I think Mike and Kiki and Jason, they're gonna stay in the apartment tonight. I just can't handle apartments anymore, guys. I'm done. I've been outdoors for life. But yeah, I don't think this is quite good night yet. I'll probably be back with an update or two. Maybe not. Let's see.